Here comes your pre-market summary for Friday, June 24th. Futures back in positive territory once again as stocks look to finally snap a week losing streak. We're coming off 10 of 11 to the downside, so looking good here to finally snap a weekly losing streak. And make it finally a positive session here. S&P 500 0.7 to the upside, 0.7 for the Dow as well. The Nasdaq about the same, 0.75 here in the pre-market. TSX looking at 0.7 as well for futures here in Toronto. Crude oil with a nice bounce back this morning, 1.6 to the upside. Bitcoin and Ethereum back in positive territory as well. More economic data to look forward to this morning. We're going to get new home sales data coming out at 10 o'clock. We'll also get University of Michigan consumer sentiment. That will be an important one, a number that the Fed does look at to gauge the overall condition of the economy. So we'll bring that to you live. Individually, a number of things we're watching this morning. FedEx shares higher in the pre-market here. The company coming off a pretty good quarter and a decent full-year forecast. They did, however, fail to provide a 2023 outlook. So we'll have a look at FDX here. Meta back on watch. Meta getting a couple of analyst notes this morning. They also announced this. They're going to rename Facebook Pay to Meta Pay, a minor note there for Facebook. Credit Suisse with a downgrade this morning on Tesla, saying their deliveries for the current quarter will fall short of estimates because of China lockdowns and closures. Speaking of, Chinese EV stocks looking really strong here once again in the pre-market, gapping to the upside for NIO, XPeng, and Li Auto. We're watching Roblox. What a week it's been for Roblox shares, back in positive territory this morning. And yeah, all the big banks coming off a stress test yesterday. Not terribly active here in the pre-market, but worth a note. A ton to get to on a Friday. Join us coming up at 8:30. Guys, grab the watch list on its way out to you right now. Use the QR code on screen. We will see you live in a few minutes on TraderTV.Live.